Hi dear eBay sellers, today I'm going to talk about a wonderful idea of drop shipping. This is very nice idea to do because of you don't need any sort of inventory at home, and you don't need any sort of stock. You don't need to arrange for a warehouse or anything else for this context. This is just you can sell your products from the sellers directly to your buyers, because of whenever a person orders on your store, you buy the product from another seller, and you will give the details of your buyer to that one, and that seller directly send the products towards your buyer. This is a wonderful idea because of you can start this business with zero investment. In this context, I can say this is a good idea. In this idea, there are only two things which need attention. First one is customer service. If you pay attention maximum towards your customer service, it will very useful for you. And the second one is marketing. Marketing is very important in this regard. Must pay attention towards it. Thank you.